Hi, welcome back. Uh, Before we dive into arrays, there's one other thing I want to show you within Xcode that will make your playgrounds run better. I discovered, and looking through some of the documentation that is on the developer forums with Apple, that sometimes installing a new version of Xcode, especially over an old version of Xcode, will result in the command line tools not being at the right version. So if we go to Xcode in the menu and go to Preferences, in the Locations menu, there's a selection here that has a drop-down command line tools. We want to make sure that this version number matches exactly the version number that is shown in the About Xcode window. So we see this is version 7B91B. We need to make sure that that version is selected in the command line tools dropdown. Mine, prior to this recording, was set at this 7B85, and that was causing some problems. So do make sure that this version matches the actual version of Xcode that you're running. Hopefully this will correct most of the playground, most if not all of the playground errors that you might be seeing. Thank you.